Hello all. Let's take a little trip back into the early 90s and take a look at an interesting Weaver Gold Edition brass locomotive, Little Joe Electric. And Weaver offered it in 2-rail without sound, 2-rail with sound, and then of course your typical 3-rail without and with sound. What's interesting is the 2-rail with sound. Weaver purchased the rights to TMCC from Lionel and began installing sound systems in their 2-rail locomotives. Now, these locomotives that had the 2-rail with sound required AC track voltage, not DC. And I thought I'd show you one of these units in operation. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply 16 volts to my test track. And then I can take the TMCC command remote and I can go ahead and I can type in engine 1. So we've got 16 AC volts to the track. We've got it running off the TMCC remote. Of course, I can't go very far. It's just a test track. You can go ahead and reverse it. Now you do have coupler sounds, but they don't actually operate the couplers. Now you're saying this is pretty archaic. I think this is before DCC made it big time into the O-scale world. I'm pretty sure it was popular with HO. And you're probably thinking, why don't I just DCC this locomotive? Well, one of the reasons that I'm not going to do that is because I like also to purchase a variety of locomotives, and some of them are the MTH scale-wheeled locomotives that run on MTH's DCS system. And what I can do with the MTH DCS system is put a tether from the DCS system to the TMCC system, and then that will enable me to enroll this TMCC Weaver engine onto my DCS system, and I can use the two in conjunction. So anyway, I just thought that I'd take a little trip back in time, show you one of the locomotives that Weaver made that is 2-rail AC with sound. Hope you enjoyed it.